So, dear guys, today we will start repairing the little train Temin with Valia.
Yeah. No, this is just mine. And for some reason it doesn't work. So what is our main reason? The music plays, the wheels don't spin, and there's no smoke. Ooh, it just glows. So what kind of, this is a Coco Codalina.
So, here we have two
What are they doing there?
batteries, right? Yeah, barrel shaped. So, they're still charged. Let's keep looking. We're searching for the cause of the breakdown. Let's take a screwdriver. You film the train, Temochka.
Okay.
And now, let's carefully unscrew the very bottom section of the train. We'll look for the cause. Why isn't it actually working, really? Because Tema is very upset, right, Tema?
Yeah.
We have everything, but without the train, happiness isn't complete. Let's carefully and methodically remove the three small screws that are holding this in place. And now the bottom part of this device comes completely off. What exactly do we see here? So we can clearly see that the small little gear
The little gear.
has come off the motor and is lying separately. We need to put it back onto the motor shaft. Let's take out the motor. All right. To prevent it from falling off, we will securely glue it with a strong super glue, which should be quite suitable and effective for this particular purpose. We only need a single drop, right, Tema?
Yeah.
Today, the cameraman ditched Tema. He's filming our work, right?
Yeah.
Our glue is super duper. Let's take a drop of glue. Tema, film a little closer here. We drop it onto.
All you can see is your hand.
We drop it onto.
And
Can you see it now? Can you see the motor? We put a drop on the engine pulley.
I already saw it.
Just a drop. The engine is ready to be glued. We carefully put the small yet essential pulley, which is the little gear, securely onto the engine pulley and then gently return it to its precise original position, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned.
Will there be smoke?
Alright,
Will there be smoke? Smoke!
let's see how it goes. I'll assemble the track. Let's see now. Here's our very small and intricate gear, and we should definitely make direct contact with the engine. Here it is. Precisely like this. What do we have here?
Oh,
Oh,
oh, oh.
the little gear is already spinning. Everything's fine. Now we
What about the front one?
return it to its original position.
I'm assembling now.
Film this. Tayoma is now carefully returning the entire bottom section of our magnificent locomotive to its original and proper position, just as it was before. And after that, we'll check it. We carefully screw in the three small screws, ensuring they are securely placed back into their original previous positions, just as they were before. Our master Kiyoma is filming the whole process.
I'm not filming.
In spring, Tayoma and I will go fishing, and Tayoma will film our.
No, in summer.
In summer, before Ruslan was a cameraman. Now Artemka will be the cameraman, right?
Yes.
He will meticulously film everything exactly as it should be captured. Every single fish, right? They are all unique and special.
Yeah.
Every single frog on the river, also.
But we won't get the frog.
Every little viper.
We won't get the viper. Only a bull or a dog.
Alright, Mr. Tayoma. Now let's check our little train. How will it work? Well, let's see. Okay, we've assembled it. Oh! Yeah, it's moving and there's smoke coming out. See?
Oh, the smoke is here.
Smoke! Everything is working perfectly. Both wheels are fully functional.
Look, everything there.
There's smoke coming out, see? Smoke is coming out.
The wheels are spinning. So, our main problem was
More power.
the gears on the engine's main drive pulley system.
Turn on.
Thank you for your attention. That's how we fixed Thomas' little train. We set up the track and we see everything. Did you press it?
I pressed it.
That's it. See what great camera operators we are.
Alright, I am going to go and set up the track now.
So now Timoshka will set up the track. We'll film it and show people, right? Or should we make some money?
Money. Dad, I have it downloaded too. Now I'm going to set up the track. I figured out why it wasn't downloading for me. You have to turn on the square. Are we going to permanently attach this particular one, or is it just for a temporary placement?
And this one. Okay, we'll set up the track. We don't have space to set up the track. Right, Ayoma?
Here's another one.
Maybe we can set it up in the hallway?
There?
Maybe? We set it up?
Let's do it there.
Mom will say we're getting in her way. That's why we...
Move her aside and let it be there. Why are we bothering them?
What are you gonna do here?
And right here. Yoma, now should we move this little table?
Okay, Kioma. So now take the little table and put it back in its place.